Hello everyone. So today we are going to study some balancing the chemical reactions. As many of you are having doubt in balancing the chemical reactions, I am going to revise all the balancing the chemical reactions. So let us take some examples and balance the chemical reactions. Fine. So as I told you that there are different types of chemical reactions such as combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction as well as double displacement reaction. Fine. So everything is having two things. They are reactants and products. So they are reactants and products. On the left hand side what we are having is always reactants, whereas on the left hand side what we are having is products. The main aim of balancing the equation is we need to have equal number of atoms on the reactant side as well as on the product side without changing the forms of molecules. Without changing the forms of molecules means you cannot change the interior portion of the chemical elements, that is 3 and 4 you can't change. You can only change the number of moles or so the number of atoms of iron, oxygen or whatever that is. Fine. So you will only do changes over here, here and here. You can't change the interior portion. If you will change the interior portion of the interior elements, the name of the element will itself change. Then you cannot say if you will do H2O and instead of 2, you will write H3 over here. Then it will be hydronium ion, whereas this H2O is water. Fine. So you can, the first rule is what? You cannot change these things. Here it is given that iron oxide. You cannot write over here Fe4O5. But you can change over here. So the number of moles will remain same and the molecules won't change. So the only thing is what? We will directly change the number of atoms in the reaction. Fine. I am doing one so that you can get to know the answer. On the left hand side, that is Fe. Take this Fe. This Fe stands for iron. This Fe stands for iron. How many iron molecules I am having? Is 1. Okay. Then go for hydrogen. How many hydrogen elements I am having? It is 2. And how many oxygen elements I am having? So this is 1. Getting my point? Fine. And over here we will do that Fe, I am having 3 elements, that is 3 molecules. Then I will go for hydrogen again, so that is 2. And again I will go for oxygen, and so oxygen is 4 over here. So students, you can see over here that hydrogen 2, they both are balanced. That means I don't want to change H2 and H2, but still it will be changed by changing another element. Okay. So first of all we'll see for the main element, that is iron over here is the main element in this reaction. So if I am having one element over here and 3 elements over here, I can write 3 or say I can add 3 over here. So if I will add 3 over there, here it will be 3Fe. Fine. So now students, you can see over here that if I am having 3Fe, then 3Fe, everything is balanced. So now I am left with oxygen. Here oxygen I need to do what? 4, because I am having 4 oxygen over here. Okay, I am having 4 oxygen over here. So what I need to do to make this oxygen balanced? As I am having H2O over here, I cannot write 4 over here. Remember, this is wrong. Okay, so I need to add 1 oxygen. So 1 multiplied by 4, I can write 4 over here. Okay, so this becomes what? 4 oxygen. So now oxygen is also balanced. Okay, oxygen is balanced, but what happens about hydrogen? Now hydrogen will increase. As you can see over here, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Okay students. So 4 2s are 8. Then I am having only 2 hydrogen over here. The same thing I can do over here if I I will multiply 4 with hydrogen, then 4 2s are 8. It will be 4 2s are 8. So students, here you can see that now everything is balanced. So the equation will be 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Fine. So this will be 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Okay. I hope you are clear with the first element. Let us go for the second one. This is HNO3. Okay, nitric form. So HNO3 and CaOH twice. This is calcium hydroxide. CaOH twice stands for calcium hydroxide. Gives what? Calcium nitrate. That is CaNO3 twice. Plus H2O. Plus H2O. So what we will do over here, first of all we will write all the number of atoms on the left hand side. So over here I am starting with hydrogen. Say I am having one hydrogen over here and two hydrogen over here. So 1 plus 2, that is 3 hydrogen I am having. That is 3 hydrogen I am having. Now I will go for nitrogen. So on the left hand side I am having only one nitrogen, so I will write N1. Okay, and now I will go for oxygen. So for oxygen, here 3 oxygen I am having and here 2 oxygen I am having. So I can write 3 plus 2, so that is 5 oxygen. Okay, 3 plus 2, that is 5 oxygen. And the last one is about calcium. So calcium is only 1. And I am writing 1 over here. I hope you are clear with the left hand side reactants. Now we will go with the right hand side products. So first I will go for hydrogen, and hydrogen is 2 over here. Okay. Now we will go for nitrogen. Now nitrogen is itself 2 because N2. So N2. Now we will go for oxygen. Here oxygen O3 multiplied by twice. See, this is NO3 twice. So O3 twice, that is 3 2s are 6 plus 1. So I am having 7 oxygen over here, and last I am left with calcium. That is 1. So students, here you can see I am having only one element equal, that is calcium 1 and calcium 1. Rather than that, everything I need to balance. Okay. So what we will do first, see over here I am having 2 nitrogens, but only one nitrogen I am having. So I can add 2 over here. Adding 2 over here, I will be having 2 nitrogen, and that is balanced as you can see. N2, N2, Ca1, Ca1. But what happens over here? What happens? See, 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen. So hydrogen now will be 4. Hydrogen is 4 over here. Okay. And now oxygen also gets increased because 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. So I can write 8 oxygen over there. Fine. Now see over here. As I am having 4 hydrogen and 8 oxygen. Here I am having only 2 hydrogen and 7 oxygen. 2 hydrogen and 7 oxygen. Then I can write over here 2. So what happens? 2H2O. Then 2 2s are 4. So now I am having 4 hydrogen. So now I am having 4 hydrogen, whereas 3 2s are 6 oxygen plus 2 oxygen. So the total number of oxygen will be also 8. So the total number of oxygen will be 8. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. I have balanced each and everything. Here I am having 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, 8 oxygen, 1 calcium, 1 calcium. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this. Let us go on to the third question, and that is NaOH plus H2SO4. Students, here NaOH stands for sodium hydroxide. Here NaOH stands for sodium hydroxide. So NaOH, okay, and H2SO4 stands for sulfuric acid, as you all know, will give you Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate plus water, that is sodium sulfate plus water. Let us see what happens over here. If Na I am telling, then take Na as 1. Na1. I am going for oxygen. Oxygen is 1 over here and 4 over here. So I can write 1 plus 4, 5. And for hydrogen, 1 and 2. So that is 3. And the last is sulfur. What is sulfur? It is only 1. Clear, students? So I have written the left hand side reactants. Now we will go for the right hand side reactant. And so this is what? Na is 2, as you can see over here. Then comes the oxygen. How many oxygen I am having? 4 plus 1. So that is also 5. Now we are left with what? Hydrogen. Hydrogen I am having only 2 over here, whereas sulfur also I am having 1. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. So now what happens? Na2, O5, H2 and S1. And then over here 1, 5, 3, 1. So I am having two imbalanced structures, that is sodium and hydrogen, sodium and hydrogen. So what we need to do? First thing, I can write 2 over here. So adding 2 over there, I will have balanced sodium. So that is 2Na. Fine. But due to this 2, oxygen and hydrogen also increases. How? Say 4 oxygen plus 2. So now I am having 6 oxygen. Okay. And how many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. 4 hydrogens. Okay. Because H2 plus H2, so that is 4. So over here, I need to make 4 hydrogens and 6 oxygens. So it is simple. I can add 2 over here. So adding 2 over here, what happens? I will have 4 hydrogens and 6 oxygen, because 4 plus 2, 6 oxygens I am having. 6 oxygen I am having. I hope you are clear with this. Now you can see 2, 6, 4, 1, 2, 6, 4, 1. Okay, students, 2, 6, 4, 1, 2, 6, 4, 1. Fine, clear? Let us go on to the next thing, that is NaCl, that is sodium salt, plus AgNO3, that is also known as silver nitrate. That is also known as silver nitrate. Okay, so I am having NaCl. Here, Na, how many Na I am having? 1. Okay, we will go for the chlorine. Chlorine I am having 1. We will go for the silver, Ag. That is also 1. Nitrogen. Remember, this Na is sodium, this N is nitrogen. Don't mix match that things. Okay. So this is N. That is also 1. And finally this oxygen. That is 3. That is 3. Okay, students. So over here, again I am going with Na. I am having 1 Na. We'll go for chlorine, 1. We'll go for silver, 1. Okay. For again nitrogen, 1. Oxygen, 3. So students, you can see over here I have written this example because sometimes in examinations they are giving the questions like this where you don't need to balance anything. Equations are itself balanced by themselves. Fine. So over here you can see that NaCl plus AgNO3 gives, the name of NaCl is sodium chloride, also known as common salt, plus silver nitrate, gives silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. So here you can see that Na is 1, chlorine is 1, Ag is 1, N is 1, oxygen is 3. The same thing is over here on the left hand side, Na1, Cl1, N1, Ag1 and O3. and O3. Fine students. So this equation is itself balanced. You don't need to balance the equations. Okay. Let us go on to the fifth question, and that is BaCl2, also known as barium chloride. BaCl2 stands for barium chloride. So BaCl2 plus H2SO4. BaCl2 plus H2SO4. So let us see what is Ba over here. Ba, barium is 1, chlorine is 2, hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1, oxygen is 4. Oxygen is 4. Okay. Here I am having barium sulfate, that is BaSO4 plus 4HCl. BaSO4 plus 4HCl. So what happens here? Ba I am having 1. Okay. Chlorine I am having 1. Hydrogen I am having 1. Sulfur I am having 1. And oxygen I am having 4. So students, you can see over here that barium is 1. Chlorine is 2 over on the left hand side, but chlorine is 1 over here on the right hand side. Hydrogen is 2 over there and hydrogen is 1 over here. Sulfur is 1, but oxygen and oxygen both are equal. So I am only left with 2 elements, that is hydrogen and chlorine. That is hydrogen and chlorine. So there I am having 2 hydrogen and 2 chlorine. Simple thing is what? I can add plus 2 over here. So adding plus 2 over here, what I will be having? 2 chlorine and 2 hydrogen. 2 chlorine and 2 hydrogen. So students, you can see over there 1 2 2 1 4, 1 2 2 1 4. Fine. So this is the balanced equation for barium chloride plus sulfuric acid gives barium sulfate plus hydrochloric acid. Okay, I hope you understand this. Let us go on to the next question, that is 6. Zn plus HCl. Okay, Zn plus HCl. This is also the equation of what? Metal plus acid. Metal plus acid gives salt plus dihydrogen gas. This is one of the chemical properties in the chapter acid, base and salt. Fine. This is metal, that is zinc, and hydrochloric acid is what? Acid. So this gives metal plus acid gives salt plus dihydrogen gas. Now we need to see either we can balance this equation or not. Let us check that. So if I am having zinc over here, and that is 1, okay, we will go for hydrogen 1, chlorine 1, everything is 1 over here. But over here I am having on the right hand side zinc is 1, chlorine is 2, hydrogen is also 2. Okay, so you can see on the left hand side I am having 1 zinc, 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. On the left hand side I am having 1 zinc, but 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorines. So I need to balance these equations. Okay, I cannot do any changes over here because the number of molecules over here is larger than that of the reactants. So I need to do changes over here on the left hand side. And this is quite simple. Multiplying 2 over here. Multiplying 2 over here. So this becomes 2 hydrogen and 2 chlorine. So this becomes 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine. Students, now you can see 1 2 2 1 2 2 equation is balanced. Fine. So this equation is balanced. You can see that zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus dihydrogen gas. Zinc chloride plus dihydrogen gas. Fine students. So this equation is now balanced. Okay. Next thing what we need to see is this. 7. It looks easy, but it isn't. Fe, that is iron plus oxide gives Fe2O3, iron oxide. Okay, or say ferrous oxide, it is also known as ferrous oxide or iron oxide, whatever you say. Okay, So let us see over here. Fe is 1 and oxygen is 2. Fine. Over here Fe is 2 but oxygen is 3. Now we need to balance this equation. One more thing, students, this is a form of corrosion. See over here the metal is being reacted with oxygen and so it becomes metal oxide. It is also one form of corrosion what we studied in chapter number 1 last part, corrosion. Okay. So now let us focus on the balancing. How we will balance this equation? If I am having Fe1 and oxygen 2, I can multiply 2 over here and so this becomes 2. Now you can see that iron and iron both are balanced. Fine. But oxygen 2 and oxygen 3. To make this thing balance, I can write 3 over here. Please pay attention. And so this becomes 6. Okay. And so this becomes 6. To make this thing 6, I need to multiply 2 over here. So this is 2 3s are, oxygen is 6. Oxygen is 6. And here also 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. But there is a change in iron because now 2 2s are, it becomes 4. It becomes 4. So I also need 4 over here. So you need to change this iron again. And we need to write 4. We need to write 4. Now you can see that 4Fe, 4Fe because 2 2s are 4. 4Fe, 4. Okay students, I hope you have got this. And 3O2 that is 6 and 3 2s are, that is also 6. So 4Fe plus 3O2 gives 2Fe2O3 gives 2Fe2O3. Okay. Fine, we will go for the next thing, that is SiO2. Here the word Si stands for silicon. Here the word Si stands for silicon. Silicon is a semi-metal. Silicon is semi-metal, can behave as a metal as well as non-metal. Fine. So I am having over here silicon dioxide, that is also known as SiO2. So SiO2 plus HF. This is also known as hydrogen fluoride. It is also known as hydrogen fluoride. Gives silicon fluoride plus water. But we need to balance this. Let us see. Si is 1. Oxygen is 2. Hydrogen is 1. Fluorine is 1. Okay students, this is silicon. So over here silicon is 1. Oxygen is also 1. Hydrogen is also 2, but fluorine is 4. So this is quite an unbalanced equation. Only we are having common is silicon, that is 1 1. Rather than everything is uncommon, that is O is 2, O is 1, H is 1, H is 2, and F is 4, F is 1. Okay. So we need to balance these things. How we will balance? Let's see. We can write 4HF over here. So this becomes 4 and this also becomes 4. Over here I am having 4 fluorine, that is balanced. But I am left with this hydrogen. So multiplying 2 with water, that is 2H2O, can give you 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now you can see that the equation will be balanced. So I multiplied 4 over here and 2 over here, so that the number of atoms in all the reactants and products are equal. You can see silicon is 1, oxygen is 2, hydrogen is 4. Fluorine is 4. So 1, 2, 4, 4. The same trend is followed over here. 1, 2, 4, 4. Fine. So the equation is now balanced. Okay. Let us go on to the next thing, that is CO, also known as carbon monoxide plus iron oxide gives iron oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay. Let us go through this. Carbon is 1. Oxygen is 5. As I am having 1 oxygen over here, and this, if there is a plus sign in between, you need to add. Okay, so O plus 4, that is 5, and Fe is 1. The same thing, carbon is 1 over here, oxygen is 3 over here, because 1 plus 2, and Fe is 1 over here. So the only thing I am having in the imbalanced form is oxygen. Here I am having 5, here I am having 3. So what we can do to change the equation? I can multiply. Carbon is also 1. So what we will do? Yes, I can multiply 2 over here. So this becomes 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, but there is one more thing, that is carbon becomes 2 over here now. So the carbon becomes 2 over here. Now here carbon I am having only 1. So what I need to do is I need to also multiply 2 carbon over here. And so this oxygen becomes 6. Carbon becomes 2. Students, you can see this 2 6 1 2 5 1. And that's not fair. So what we will do in this equation? It's quite confusing. So 2 6 1 and 2 5 1. And oxygen is also imbalanced. Multiplying 3 over here. So 3 oxygen, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. But I am having now 3 carbon over here. So I need to remove this and write 3. Okay. So I can also do the same thing over here, multiplying 3. So this becomes 3 carbon, 3O plus 4O, that is 7. Students, now you can see that everything is balanced. Fine. 3 carbon, 7 oxygen, 1 fluorine. 3 carbon, 7 oxygen, 1 fluorine. So this equation is now balanced. Let us move on to the next sum, that is N2 plus H2 gives NH3. Fine. Here I am having N2 H2 and over here N1 H3. So what we will do? N2 and H2. Okay. N2 H2 gives NH3. So what we can do? We can add 2 over here. So this becomes 2 nitrogen. I hope you have understand. But hydrogen increases. 3 2s are 6. So one more thing what we can do is we can multiply 3 over here. So 3 2s are 6. So this is 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. I am having everything balanced. 2 6 2 6. And so this equation is balanced. Let us move on to the last balancing the equation, and this is N2H4. Nitrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and water. Okay. So over here I am having N2 hydrogen 4 and oxygen 2. Over here I am having nitrogen 2, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. So here you can see that I am having 4 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen and 2 oxygen, but I am having 2 nitrogen, so the nitrogen is balanced, fine, but I am being imbalanced with hydrogen and oxygen. So I can do one thing, I can multiply 2 over here, so 2 2s are 4 and oxygen multiplied by 2, 2. You can see over here the trend N2,4O2 and 2,4O2. Okay, so 242 is the trend. So this was, students, the balancing the chemical equations. You can please practice these sums at home. These are quite important for the examinations also. They can be asked in 1 or 2 or 3 marks. Okay, depending on the blueprint. So please pay attention on this. Fine. Thank you.